Hi, my name is Ernest Peterkin, and this is AskAPeterkin.com. We'll be going over the Sonata Limited. Now, this Sonata Limited is the turbo, and it's the 2019 that they have for it. There's a lot of new features onto it, and it's a lot of the same features they have for the 2018. First, I'll start with giving you guys a walkthrough around the car and see how everything is, and showing then I'll show you some of the features that's on the inside of it, and allow you to make a decision on what's going to work best. This is the inside of the car. Start from right here from the console. You have the same console like you had in 2018. Lots of cup holder space. You have a cup over here, one there on that side of the door, and one on this side of the door. Now, what they've done here too, you have the parking, the electronic parking, which is actually really cool, and you actually now have the auto hold, which is really cool too. Now, for this button here, this is what you can turn off the parking sensors, or the basically the beep noise that you don't, if you don't want to have that noise or don't like it, you can turn it off completely. Now, they have also this year, the same as they've been having since I think about 2015, they have the drive modes. The drive modes are actually really convenient and useful. Now, you can press this button here and you go to drive mode, and you can see what drive mode you're in by just looking at it. See there, it shows you right there. Let my camera ever focus back up. There we go. Now, as you see, you got different modes this year. Last year you only had the comfort, the eco, and the sport. Now this year they've enhanced it, and now you have smart. Now what smart does is the in-between for everything. It's gonna cater the transmission style to your driving habits. Possible. One day I'll probably go over a video and just go into detail what exactly does the drive mode does and how useful it would be for you. Now, going back here to the center console, I love this feature they have here. This one has the wireless charger. Now you can just place your phone there and it will actually get all the charge you need from right there. And it's all right. I just got back from a test drive with the 2019 Turbo Sonata. In my overall view, I think it was a nice, smooth drive. They had all the technology that was standard with the 2018, and they did not change much of it to the 2019. It gives you a really smooth drive, and to me, it's the power and performance is best out there. If you go for it, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 7. Only reason why I won't go higher, because it's pretty much the same car. If you had a choice now, at this moment in time, going in the October time frame or September time frame, I would still go for the 18, because you pretty much got the exact same car right now. But it's up to you on whichever one you want.